What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn this error. There has been a critical error on this website. This is on the widget section. If you go to website main page, as you can see, the website is fully broken. Okay, how to fix it? The problematic thing is a widget that is broken, but if I try to go on my WordPress dashboard and access widgets, I see this. I cannot access the widgets page. How to fix it into a simple, fast and effective method. This is what we're gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access WordPress dashboard, go to your domain plus WP admin. No worries, even if you see a critical error on your WordPress front end, you're gonna be able to access the dashboard. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the sub-menu Add New. Then review the upper right corner of your screen and into search plugins you're gonna type Classic Widgets. Click on Install Now. Click into the Activate button. No more settings are needed. Now, if you go, let me access this WordPress website dashboard once again. Here's the dashboard. Now I go to plugins, I go to appearance and access widgets. That is the broken page. I could not access this until now, but with the classic widgets I still can access the widgets because they do not open the preview like it does on the blocks editor. So we turn it back to classic editor, scroll down and until you can find the problematic widget. In this case I know what widget is, but on yours, how to fix? You need to get a widget and move it down. Just move it off the place, okay? Drag and drop. Then go to our page and see if it fixed the issue. As you can see, the problem on the site is now fixed, okay? So the problem here was the tweets widget and has been fixed. Now we can organize the widgets. Let me move the social icons to the copyright. Let me align it, and you can change. Some years ago, this was the way that we customized WordPress, okay? So, not very complicated thing to do. But it is. We have fixed the critical error. How? We turn it back to classic widgets. Then, imagine that you already fixed the issue and you don't like this look and feel. No problem. You can deactivate and delete the classic widgets plugin, no problem. But remember, you need to remove one widget, refresh the page, see if it fixes the issue, do the process again and again until you find the solution, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.